What if I told you a single AI model can blend your photos, change background, let you try clothes virtually online, and even change the posture of a person? And the craziest part is you can do all these things for free of cost. That AI is none other than Nano Banana, which is launched by Google, and the official name is Gemini 2.5 flash. It is one of the most trending topic in nowadays. Trust me, this Nano Banana is far better than the most of the image generated models like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and even Canva too. In this video, I am breaking down the top 5 features of Nano Banana. Let's get started and try to eat banana. For accessing this, simply go to the any browser and search for Google Gemini, and you will visit the official page of Google Gemini chatbot. And for selecting the Nano Banana model, simply click on the tool icon and select the create images. Our first feature is blending of images. I had given two images to the model, and next I gave prompt for describing how our output image looks like. In this case, I need the persons in the two images were hugged each other, and I like the background of second image. I gave required properties through my prompt and hit on enter. The thing you keep it in mind is the output of any AI tool depends on only the prompting. If your prompt is good, then automatically the result is always better. Now the image is created like I mentioned in the prompt. You can notice it was clear and look like a real image. Feature 2 is visual try-on. One major challenge in online shopping is not knowing how clothes will look when you wear that clothes. Visual try-on solves this problem by sending the photo of a person and the product you like and give a suitable prompt to generate the output image. Then it will generate an output image and you will become more confident to purchase that product or not. Our third feature is background image change. Sometimes the background of an image looks too plain or does not match the purpose of image. A background change feature can be added. Just send a photo and give a prompt how your background image looks like. Indian flag on my background image. So that I given a prompt and then the stunning output is generated like this. Our fourth feature is picture editing or object replacement. This is one of the exciting and useful feature for editors for editing or replacing objects in the picture. For example, in my case, I need to put Indian flag on Trump hands. So that I just sent a photo and added a detailed prompt to showcase and explain how my output image looks like or I need. So that the output image is created like this. It looks like really holding an Indian flag on hands. Our fifth feature is thumbnail creation. Creating the perfect YouTube thumbnail can be difficult and more time consuming process. As a content creator, I do know how much difficult is this. With this model, you can generate custom thumbnail by just using prompts only. For example, in this case, I need to create a YouTube thumbnail for my YouTube video for Nano Banana model. So that I gave a detailed prompt to explain how to create my thumbnail. Then the model is created an output image like this. This looks very interesting because it reduces my time. So these were the top 5 features which attracts me. Once again, I want to say that the output always depends on the prompt you gave to the AI model. If your prompt is better and the output is always better. Now it's your turn to try this model and see what amazing results you can create. Share your experience in comments below. And if you found this video is helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.